Jeff Erickson, Senior Product Manager here at Werner Electric Supply. Today I'd like to introduce a value-add service that we can have for you, our customer, when it comes to panelboard boxes. We offer modification to your panelboard for your job site needs. Reduce time spent on the job site by not having electricians modify panelboard enclosures on site. We can modify any quantity of panelboard enclosures up to 90 inches high. The Werner Electric enclosure modification machine can make any size hole or cutout into the panelboard enclosure. We can modify painted steel, stainless steel, and non-metallic enclosures. Werner Electric will need dimension CAD drawings showing size of holes and their location on the panelboard enclosure. If you'd like to learn more about these modifications, please contact your local sales representative or myself.